Little Storyteller.
Once upon a time, in a sunny green valley beside a sparkling blue river, lived a little girl named Lily. Lily had bright, curious eyes and hair like golden sunshine. Her best friend was a playful monkey named Coco, with soft brown fur and a long curly tail that helped him swing from trees. One sunny morning, Lily found a tiny, shiny banana seed. She planted it in the soft earth near her little wooden house. She watered it every day, and the warm sun helped it grow. But this was no ordinary seed. Soon, a huge banana plant sprouted, and on it grew a banana bigger than Lily, bigger than Coco, as big as a small canoe. Its yellow peel glowed like sunshine. Lily and Coco were amazed. "Let's make it a boat." Lily giggled. Carefully, with soft leaves as tools, they hollowed out the giant banana. It smelled sweet and fruity inside. It was a little bit slippery, but just right for an adventure on the sparkling river. Lily and Coco gently pushed their banana boat into the cool, sparkling river. Lily used a large leaf as a paddle, and Coco sat at the front, his eyes wide with excitement. They floated past tall green trees, where colorful birds sang sweet songs, and fluffy white clouds drifted in the blue sky above. As they floated along, they saw a little fluffy bunny sitting sadly by the river bank. One of its long ears was caught in a thorny bush. "Oh, the poor bunny," said Lily. Carefully, she steered the banana boat to the shore. Coco gently nibbled at the thorns with his little teeth until the bunny's ear was free. The fluffy bunny hopped with joy and wiggled its nose at Lily and Coco before scampering away. Lily and Coco continued their river adventure in their delicious banana boat. When they felt a little hungry, they simply peeled off a piece of their boat and had a tasty snack. The banana peel floated gently on the water, like little yellow lily pads. As the sun began to set, painting the sky with warm orange and pink colors, Lily and Coco steered their banana boat back towards Lily's little wooden house. Their edible boat was now much smaller, but they had had a wonderful day. Back home, as they shared the last sweet bites of their banana boat, Lily said, "It was so much fun helping the bunny, Coco." Coco chattered happily in agreement. They learned that even a small act of kindness can make a big difference to someone in need, just like helping the bunny with its ear made it very happy.
Please subscribe. Thank you.